Hi everyone, I'm Varon. I'm from Polymertal. I'll explain a little bit about what we do and how we contribute to the climate. Um, Polymertal is a company that combines the best of the two worlds of the polymers and metals together. And we do that through a specific process that we developed and for various applications and industries that you can see. So a bit of information about the company. We're headquartered in Haifa, Israel. We were founded already in 2013. We're about 40 employees today. We are already selling a few $1 million revenues per year, and we've also achieved an Horizon 2020 grant for $2 million for the development of titanium plating over polymers. We're right now growing our sales and really trying to be a bigger company. We have future sites coming up, one in Israel, a bigger one with more capacity and automation to be able to provide to our customers, as well as in 2025 to the EU. We've not selected the location yet, but it will be in the Central European area, mainly to support our customers from the EU. A little bit about our challenge. So we see today that a lot of what the industry is demanding is to have lightweight solution with a lot of metallic properties. So they have to be strong products, but also electrically conductive, but not as a full metal. And also, of course, sustainability, to have recyclable materials, low energy production process, and eventually at a very low price. And we see that there are a lot of different contradictory requirements that need to be met by this industry. And that's how we came up with our solution, which is combining the two materials together, so the polymers and metals together. So from the polymers, we take the features such as low weight and vibration and shock damping. And from the metal, we take mainly the metallic properties, such as electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, which make it a metallic part with the essence of the metallic features. And we see that there are a lot of different demands coming from the industry, and we see how our products are actually meeting these demands, and I'll show you exactly what we use these for. But before that, a little bit about what comes up of our process. So eventually, when we compare ourselves to metal, because we're in the metal replacement market, we're actually reducing weight by about 50 to 60% per part, either for lightweight metals such as aluminum. And we also have the metallic features. So as I indicated, mechanical, thermal, electrical conductivity. We have a lot of EMI, RFI shielding applications. And additionally, sustainability. We have carbon-free and bio-based materials that are being used as substrates. And just to give you a hint, so our technology is actually technology that we apply a metal coating on top of the polymer substrate. So the polymer is the first layer, and then we do chemical surface etching technology that enables us to have the next, let's say, metallic layers. Sorry, I'll just close the door. So we have the copper layer, and then we also have a nickel, silver, tin, or gold layer, which enable us to have a very strong adhesion between the polymer and the metal. And our essence is in the surface preparation process, which is optimized to almost any type of polymer. This is something that does not exist today in other alternatives. And the adhesion that we create between the polymer and metal is unprecedented and really a state of the art that allows us to be used in actual functional applications, such as in automotive, in aerospace, and also in semiconductors. You can see some of our customers today. I put down mainly the ones in Europe here. So we have Schaeffler and Continental, who are tier ones in the automotive. We have ASML, which is a company in the semiconductors industry. We also have Valsylania in the space and Porsche in automotive. You can see some of the applications as well here. We do anything from oil tanks to EMI shielding solutions, which are our #1 product, as well as waveguides and 5G antennas. A little bit about the impact itself. So we're committed to decarbonizing. This is the main agenda that we bring. We're able to decarbonize the carbon footprint by about 50 to 60%, depending on the plating thickness that we apply. In addition to that, we're also significantly reducing weight. So that's in operation. Everything was measured by a third party. We've done a product carbon footprint analysis, and these are the results. There's also an end-of-life opportunity, which means that we take metallized parts, and it's possible to separate them through a machine that was done for recycling that's already in place. We have a team of management and also, of course, employees coming from big companies with the sole purpose of growing the company big. We have a lot of know-how in chemical engineering, as well as in products development, and also how to utilize and reach these areas. We're in a huge market of metal alternatives, which is a $160 billion market. We're today a serial manufacturer already in the technology readiness level of 8 or 9, and we expect to grow within the next 3 years the revenue to about $20 million a year. We're right now raising about $4 million. We've already raised up until now 5.5, and we're looking for strategic investments and also collaborations with strategic companies within the fields that we're focusing on, so automotive, aerospace, communication, semiconductors, and looking to increase our sales and marketing activities, and also our capacity, so with manufacturing capabilities.